Bright da ka.
Ia Idiot Academy. Things to know in fluid mechanics.
Fluid statics is the branch of fluid mechanics that deals with fluids at rest. The fundamental principles of fluid statics include pressure, the force exerted per unit area on a fluid. It acts in all directions and is defined as the ratio of force to area. Density, the mass of a fluid per unit volume. It is a fundamental property of a fluid and is used to calculate the weight of a fluid and its behavior under different conditions. Buoyancy, the upward force exerted on an object submerged in a fluid, caused by the difference in the fluid's density between the object and the fluid. Archimedes' principle states that the buoyant force on an object submerged in a fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object.
The continuity equation, it states that the mass of fluid flowing into a given volume must be equal to the mass of fluid flowing out of that volume. It is expressed mathematically as rate of mass flow equals constant. The Navier-Stokes equations, these are a set of differential equations that describe the motion of a fluid, the forces acting on it, and the energy it possesses. These equations can be used to predict the behavior of both laminar and turbulent flows. The Bernoulli equation, it describes the relationship between the pressure, velocity, and height of a fluid in a steady state, incompressible flow. It states that the total energy per unit volume in a fluid is constant along a streamline. Laminar flow and turbulent flow are two types of fluid flow that are characterized by the behavior of the fluid particles. Laminar flow, it is a smooth, orderly flow of fluid where the particles move in parallel, straight lines, or in smooth circular paths. The fluid particles do not mix or interact with each other, and the flow is predictable and steady. Laminar flow occurs at low Reynolds number, typically below 2,300. Turbulent flow, it is characterized by chaotic, irregular fluid motion, with fluid particles moving in a random, unpredictable pattern. The fluid particles mix and interact with each other, resulting in eddies and vortices. Turbulent flow is typically seen at high Reynolds number, typically above 40. The principles of pipe flow, including head loss, friction factor, and Reynolds number, the principles of open channel flow, including the Manning equation and the Chezy equation. Dagan Salamat, Sa Paglantal.